G'day guys, Mr. Bennett here. In today's video we're going to be looking at place value. Alright, so key thing here when we start looking at place value is that you have your decimal place down here. That's really crucial because that tells you where you're going to have your whole numbers and where you're going to have your numbers that are less than whole number. So when we're going this side, we're looking at hundredths, tenths and thousandths, and so all those numbers are less than 1. And when we go in the other direction, we're looking at numbers that are simply going to be greater than 1. All right, so your tens, hundreds and thousands and so on. Now there is a bit of symmetry here, so you've got your tens and tenths, your hundreds and hundredths, you've got your thousands and thousands. Right, so let's have a look at some numbers here in terms of what we've got here. So if we're reading the first number here, so we've got 1,273.042. So that's 42 thousandths or 4 hundredths and 2 thousandths. All right, so that's important that you're looking at there. So in the next number, if I said to you, can you identify how many hundredths do we have? Well, you look in your hundredth column and the answer would be you've got 2 hundredths. There, that's what we're looking at there. The next number we've got, so that's actually 4.32. Okay, 4 ones, 3 tenths and 2 hundredths. The next number we've got is 489.6. All right, so if we identify the 8, the 8 will tell us that we've got 80 tens. Okay, so we've got 8 tens. So here you could even write that as we've got 48 tens. Okay, 48 tens would be 489. Now looking at the big number there, we've got 2,500,000 and so 2,507,268.15. So if we identify the 7 in this particular one, the 7 represents the number of thousandths. The 2 represents the number of millions. Now notice in all these examples here, I'm keeping my decimal place central. So if I was going to add those numbers together, I would like to have them all in the right columns there. Makes my life easy there. Looking at the next number, we've got a number which is, we're looking at tens of thousands. So we've got 89,325.009. So if you identify the 9 there, that means that we got 9 thousandths. All right, so keep that in mind. That's what we're looking at in terms of looking at our decimal places. All right, so when we're rounding off our decimal places, we'll be talking about that in another video. So just one more thing I'll do probably is write another number for you. If I said to you you had to write 5,000, so what you will do is you go to cost of the thousandth column, you put your 5,297 and if we were looking at money, you'd probably going to the nearest cent, so let's go to 36 cents. All right, so that would be a number represented by all those decimal places. All right, so this should be revision of what you've done in primary school, but if you need any help, make sure you ask one of us teachers.